Are you looking for a way to make some extra cash? Do you enjoy writing? If you answered yes to both of these questions, then we have the perfect opportunity for you. You can write just about any topic you want and get paid for it. This may be one of the best typing jobs you'll come across this year. The best thing is that it's completely free and available in every country. It's fantastic, isn't it? But before we get started, will you swear to me that this is a secret between us? Did you know that I discovered a secret loophole and no one else knows about it? You can cash it anywhere from $200,000 to $300,000 without even needing skills or expertise. Hello, I am your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get this money making started. To begin, go to the Money Pantry website at moneypantry.com in your browser. You'll be redirected to the homepage where it reads, "Welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money." You'll find a plethora of ways to generate money online by visiting this website alone. There are also blog entries that praise website owners for providing useful information on their sites. Let's have a look at it. Once the site has loaded, you'll have to scroll further below, and here you'll see different money-making opportunities, including some tips and reviews on various applications that generate income. There are also various articles on the website, including how to save money. Furthermore, there's one for getting freebies too. This is incredible, right? MoneyPantry.com has over 100 different websites that will pay you money from $50 up to $3,000 for a post. There's no need to worry. Just relax because outstanding writing skills or English proficiency is not a huge requirement for this job. I've got you covered. I'll show you a one-of-a-kind and effective method that makes use of a loophole in Google to get anything done automatically. All that is left for you to do is gather the payment. Doesn't it sound fantastic? Then continue following my instructions. Going back, when you've loaded Money Pantry, you'll see several companies that will pay you for a piece similar to this one. Some will pay you $150 for a blog article, some even pay up to $700 to $2,000 for a blog post, and some magazine articles. It is even more remarkable because of how limitless the earning potential is through the multiple websites you can find here, and giving you the opportunity to create multiple streams of income too. You can find these websites and multiple others by typing in the search box on the homepage. For instance, there's this website called Crack, which pays up to $200 per post. There's also this site called Size, like Crack, which pays between $200 and $3,000 for a post in the genres of fantasy and science fiction. Now, I'll teach you how to make money online by writing on Google and submitting it to one of these businesses. You'll also notice sites about broad topics in this category. I'd like to show you this since public writing interest is simple and there isn't much competition. Along with these, I'll also teach you tricks to get inspired by free articles and even copy and paste them. For example, one firm is called Vibrant Life. It is willing to pay $100 to $300 for a blog post. And all you have to do is publish it. You'll have to type into your search bar vibrantlife.com and you'll be redirected to their page. Here, you can see different articles about various topics. However, what we want is to write for them, and you'll see this on the right side of your screen. Click on Write for Vibrant Life, contact their editor, and start composing a brief article. You can either do this by starting from scratch and doing research, or you can copy and paste free content from Google, avoiding plagiarism, of course. Remember to focus on one topic and talk about that till the end of your article. Remember when I said I'll let you on some writing tricks? Well, what you'll do is to visit Quora.com and search for queries like, how do I learn English? If you have a topic you'd want to write about in general, such as learning English, just use the search bar to look for posts about how to learn English. You'll see numerous people's responses. Quora is a question and answer website where individual users submit questions about whatever they want on the site, and many people will provide answers for you. You may also respond to them. There are several postings on Quora that you can access and obtain by highlighting them and copying them. Always remember though, that you can't just steal someone else's words, since that's plagiarism. Let's not do it. Simply gather information from various sources and connect the dots. After copying various information, you might want to compile them for easy retrieval and organization. So, go to google.com and type in Google Docs. Click the first link of search results and it will bring you to Google Docs. Then, you'll have to create a new document by clicking on the plus icon on the bottom right of your screens. Finally, copy and paste the answers you found on Quora. After pasting it, to avoid plagiarism, we'll just use it as an inspiration and write a new article composed of 400 to 600 words. We may also use only some of the words on the information we copied. As I've said, you are not going to copy other people's work, or else it will not be accepted. After that, you can submit these to the websites I mentioned before and start earning potential income. Do you know that one of the simplest methods to be inspired is to interact with many people? You'll get varied viewpoints and you'll be able to modify things utilizing your own words. You may rearrange paragraphs into distinct sections and produce additional well-written articles. Because after all you need is 400 to 600 word entries. Are you enjoying the video so far? Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and leave your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Another Google trick which many of you may have overlooked is using the voice typing feature of Google Docs. Once you're reading those articles in Quora, get yourself inspired by other people's answers and ready to write your own article. Go back to Google Docs, click on the tool button, and select voice typing. You may now begin talking to your microphone and Google Docs will convert your voice into typed words. You are basically letting Google Docs type for you and completely for free. A really convenient tool for lazy bums out there. All you have to do is talk and let technology do its job for you. However, we're far from being done. I have one more for you. There's another extra website called listverse.com to visit. This site will pay you to create a top 10 list if you submit one of your own. To do this, hover your mouse pointer on More on top of the website and a drop-down list will appear. Click on Submit a List, fill in the necessary information on the boxes, and yes, you can search for knowledge and collect answers on Quora. By going to Quora and asking some questions, you may get inspired or gain ideas by looking at other people's responses and then copying, pasting, and writing articles into Google Docs. Don't you think that this is a fantastic hack? Of course, don't forget to edit your text and include your own ideas. You don't want your work to be rejected. Let's keep saying no to plagiarism and concentrating on generating money online by using these unique methods I've outlined for you. For my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description below. It has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your cash flow girl. See you in the next one!